Evidence to prove your claim comes down to documentation that you might need to provide to explain your position. So typically in any claim or potentially later on a lawsuit, there's usually two issues. Liability for the accident, in other words, whose fault it is. And the second issue is your injury, the duration and severity of your injury, and how much compensation you should receive. In terms of collecting evidence, it would then mean for the liability side of things, if there was a dispute over how the accident happened, it might be anything from a police report to photographs of the scene, to an accident reconstruction, to an extraction of the black box from your car to determine what was said. Anything that would prove one way or the other that it was not your fault. For the medical aspect of it and any out-of-pocket expenses related to the accident, it would simply be for medical, as little as maybe one doctor's visit or one treatment with one of your treatment providers, such as a massage therapist or a physiotherapist. So treatment notes would be obtained from those providers, and or potentially a handwritten narrative or medical legal report about what it is that you've been through and what your diagnosis and prognosis is. And any other medical evidence that can be collected from hospitals attended, specialists attended upon, or anyone else that you've seen medically because of the accident. So in other words, that would be proving the fact that you're injured and how the accident has impacted those injuries. The other part would be out-of-pocket expenses, which simply might be a receipt for something that you've paid for. That would make up the evidence for proof that you've lost that as a result of the accident.